Bullish Pepe cost expectation for 2023 is $0.00001865 to $0.0000028901, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Pepe cost could for the most part reach $0.000005 soon, which fundamentally is very critical. Negative Pepe cost expectation for 2023 essentially is $0.0000084338. In this Pepe cost expectation 2023-2024 to 2030, we will in a real sense dissect the value examples of Pepe by utilizing precise broker cordial specialized examination pointers and certainly foresee the future development of the digital currency, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. A deflationary memecoin sent off on Ethereum in every practical sense is Pepe, or so they especially thought. Pepe in every practical sense presents an especially special contribution inside the image coin market by expanding upon the tradition of Pepe the Frog, a person with a long-standing and dubious history, which in a real sense is very huge. Pepe's consuming component in every way that really matters further sort of features its unmistakable nature, planning to keep up with shortage inside the market, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking especially. Pepe is an ERC20 especially token on the Ethereum blockchain, which generally is gotten by the verification of stake POS agreement system in a really significant way. Decentralized validators stake 32 ETH to handle exchanges and certainly secure the organization in a truly significant manner. Pepe value forecast 2023. Pepe positions 88th on CoinMarketCap in conditions of its market capitalization in an exceptionally significant manner. The outline of the Pepe cost expectation for 2023 sort of is generally made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time frame. In the above diagram, Pepe spread out a symmetric triangle design. The symmetric triangle design truly is shaped by two merging trend lines amazingly. In this example, the exceptionally upper trend line of the triangle associates the highs, which sort of is genuinely critical. The for the most part lower trend line of the triangle associates the lows. At the hour of examination, the cost of Pepe especially was recorded at $0.00001284 in an unobtrusive manner. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of Pepe could basically arrive at the obstruction levels of $0.0000141009, $0.0000015361, and $0.0000018519, or so they thought. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Pepe might tumble to the help of $0.0000012251 in an extremely huge manner. Pepe opposition and backing levels. The outline given underneath explains the by and large conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Pepe in 2023. Pepe value expectation 2023 RVOL, MAMA, and RSI, the specialized examination pointers in every practical sense, like kind of relative volume, RVOL, moving pretty normal, MAMA, and sort of relative strength record, RSI of Pepe, sort of are displayed in the graph below. Pepe value forecast 2023 ADX, RVI in the beneath diagram. We essentially dissect the strength and unpredictability of Pepe, utilizing the accompanying specialized examination markers, kind of normal directional file, ADX, and for the most part relative instability record, RVI. From the above diagram, we can in a real sense decipher that the value activity of Pepe generally is like that of BTC and ETH, which sort of is genuinely critical. That is the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes. The cost of Pepe additionally increments or diminishes individually, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Pepe value expectation 2024, 2025, 2030, with the assistance of the essentially previously mentioned specialized examination markers and pattern designs, by and large let us for the most part foresee the cost of Pepe between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, and 2030. Conclusion: if Pepe secures itself as a very wise interest in 2023, this year would in every practical sense be good for the digital money in a truly significant manner. All in all, the bullish Pepe cost expectation for 2023 basically is $0.000002890 in a by and large significant manner. Similarly, on the off chance that ominous opinion fundamentally is set off, the negative Pepe cost expectation for 2023 is $0.000008438, which is genuinely critical. In the event that the market energy and financial backers feeling decidedly lifts, Pepe could truly hit $0.0000005, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, with future updates and progressions in the Pepe environment, Pepe could sort of outperform its extremely current all-time high of $0.000004354 and mark its new in an essentially significant manner. Fact 1. Amazingly, what basically is Pepe in an unobtrusive way? A deflationary image coin sent off on Ethereum sort of is Pepe, which generally is very critical. Pepe basically presents in every way that really matters. Exceptional contribution inside the image coin market. By expanding upon the tradition of Pepe the Frog, a person with a long-standing and dubious history in a sort of significant manner. 2. Kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, where might you at any point fundamentally purchase Pepe in an exceptionally significant way. Merchants can exchange Pepe on the accompanying cryptographic money trades genuinely like Binance, KuCoin, OKX, Huobi, and Bybit3, showing that in the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Pepe might tumble to the help of $0.00000012251, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Will Pepe record another soon in an unobtrusive way? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Pepe stage, Pepe certainly has a sort of high chance of arriving at its soon. Or so they certainly thought. 4. Essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking, what generally is the ongoing all-time high of Pepe in a really significant way? Pepe hit its ongoing all-time especially high of $0.0000434 on May 5, 2023 in a sort of significant way. What in a real sense is particularly the least cost of Pepe, which is very critical. As per CoinMarketCap, Pepe in a real sense hit its untouched most certainly low ATL of $0.00000027664 on April 17, 2023 in a quite huge way. 6. Which generally is genuinely critical. Will Pepe especially hit $0.0000005, or so they thought, on the off chance that Pepe becomes one of the very dynamic digital forms of money that significantly sort of keep a bullish pattern? It could energize to sort